after paying taxes also you get so unhygienic wardrooms. You get so unhygienic wardrooms.
Why did you go there?
Best hospital of the Purvanchal, sir.
Oh, yes.
Best hospital.
So you went there only for dinner?
Yes, sir. Sir, listen to me. No, sir. There is a prohibition of the mind. There is no chance of. There is security. Sir, there is security of the.
In one hall, in one ward, there are so many patients. Any uncle will come and open the curtain.
No, sir. Only for bed rest. Sir, listen.
In corona pandemic, not government hospital or not private hospital, everyone was working for the people. Is that clear?
Oh, no, sir.
Not.
By the way, guys, I just welcome you here in this debate. Today we will be having Q&A. Yesterday we all have shared views and opinions, but if anyone is left, he or she can share views as well. We will be just countering some of the questions like yesterday we couldn't, right? Some of the people were raising the points, I don't know whether from here or here, somebody was saying that, dinner is being provided. Since last night, this has been pinching in the mind that dinner is being provided. Not only to the patient, but also to the all members who will be visiting there. So I want you to clarify first of all. Please.
Sir, most of the poor peoples who are
People. अभी बताया गया था. Most of the poor people
who are coming like sir Bihar and different state, different city and different city. So there are so many poor people. So that's why they are not able to sir buy food, sir. You know that, sir. Beside the sir hospital, there are so many restaurants, but they are costly. And not
So how can hospital afford it, man? Hospital can't provide.
Yes, sir. Government hospital provides provides food all the members, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Hey guys.
Sir,
Only for the patient, of course.
Sir,
he is saying that no problem. Come 100 people, government hospital will afford it.
Sir, when I was when I was in sir BRE Medical College of Gorakhpur, then operation was my.
That is animal hospital, I think. Why did you go there?
Best hospital of the Purvanchal, sir.
Oh yes.
Best hospital.
So you went there only for dinner?
Yes, sir. Sir, listen to me. No, sir.
Minus.
Listen to me.
Yes,
Sir,
he is saying that I went there for dinner only.
No, sir. But this
Hospital is for medicines. Sir, talk about medicines. Talk about medications.
Medication, okay, sir. But you told that there is a sir. You proved that.
Yesterday, Miss Kahakasa was raising the point that my sister is working in hospital, right? See, she is CHO, right? But she's not responsible for so many patients, right? Yes, she's working in government hospital, but she's not responsible. She has insulted her sister only. That is the harsh reality. That she is sleeping all the times. She is not sleeping all the time. She is working at hospital only. But you are saying that no, they are health workers. They are going to the people. They are working in the society. Excuse me, what a cock and bull story you are making.
Sir, whatever her sister is doing, that it totally depends on herself. So don't
it
mind.
depends on all the doctors.
Oh yes, sir.
Exactly.
Whatever. Yes, sir.
Yes.
But listen to me. But whatever the points she gave, sir. Ayushman card is allow all the private hospital. Sir, you can see and visit, sir. There, not all the private hospital is allowed.
Ayushman is allowed for all the hospitals.
Sir, but not, sir. All private, sir, hospital. But limited. There is limited. Another is
Not every hospital providing food and
Every government hospital.
not every government.
at least the government is.
You need to read what is this, man. Do you know? NGO.
Yeah.
1 second. What is this? What is the meaning of?
You are searching.
I'm not searching. I'm showing the same thing. NGO. Do you know the meaning of NGO? What is the meaning of NGO? Tell me.
Sir,
Non-governmental organization. Non-governmental. It means. That's it. Thank you. Next point, please.
She spoke, sir. Prescribe the cleaning name, sir. You take this and you will take ultrasound of this. The government doctor are not forces to you. Please, you go. But he is giving suggestion. If you are interested, you are able. Then you will go. Otherwise, you can't be.
I'm ill. And
There is also, sir, in government hospital, there is a facility of the doing, sir.
No, in my town there are no facility and government.
What important is the like?
Why is he asking interest?
Yes, sir. I'm not interested.
No, sir, if there is a some problem and you are need to hurry up, then you will go. They are just giving the suggestion, not the forcibly. You can, sir, you go, not said, sir.
Sir, why we are go hospital? Why we are go for interest?
No, ma'am.
No, why are we go for hospital?
But they are suggesting you, if you are interested, then you will go. Otherwise, you.
I have a question.
Other people should speak. Wait.
Sir, in natural disaster, sir.
No.
Sir.
Only you guys are talking.
Sir, 1 point, sir.
You will get minus if you speak.
Kesa ma'am said that like in a KGMU hospital, intern doesn't know how to inject people. Seriously? Am I right, ma'am? Am I right? Yes. You said, ma'am.
Yes, I said.
Ma'am, for
Because
your
they are just learning. They are not experienced.
ma'am, for your kind.
They are not experienced and they don't know how to treat people.
Sir, for your kind information, our Asa Bahu is well known to how to inject injection. In case I go to niece, I go to with niece like tika to take tika. One tika is like
It's
needed
not about
inside.
a particular person and particular Asha. It's all about the all government nurses and
Ma'am,
all government doctors.
Ma'am, all nurses.
It's not about a particular Asha.
Ma'am, you said KGMU hospital. How exaggerator you are. Without entrance exam, KGMU hospital doesn't take any admission. I will give you 10 lakh rupees. I will give you 10 lakh rupees. If you can admit on me, like nursing, only nursing, 10 lakh rupees. I will give you 10 lakh rupees.
You are not getting my point. They are treating the patient who is in serious and
Ma'am, you said
serious
na intern
condition.
doesn't know how to inject. How can you say that, ma'am? In a 12th class standard student, those who are going to medical field, he know how to inject injection. He knows.
I'm telling that they are not that much knowledgeable to treat a serious patient, and they are treating a serious
Ma'am,
patient.
you said na how to
They are
inject
only
injection.
interns. They
You
are
are
only
like turn
interns.
your words. How you turn your words? How can you say? You turn your words. Yeah, you are twisting your words. That's why I write your names, ma'am. You can see. You can say that.
I meant to say that they are only interns and they are in their learning phase. So how can they? How can they?
Ma'am, 1 second. Ma'am, it means.
And so,
Sir, I have one question.
Please wait.
So,
Against.
so I have a question against Khushi ma'am.
What is that?
Yesterday you are saying that in government hospital they are not returning the pupil. They are treating the pupils 24/7. So what about the OPD of and the OPDs from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. So.
I'm not talking about any part.
not talking yesterday.
I was not talking about any particular hospital. I'm talking about the India, in the world, in the whole world. I'm not talking about your hospital and all. Whatever I had experience, whatever I had
timing.
Ma'am, if you have a,
It's
if
usually
you,
10 to,
ma'am,
4.
listen first.
Yeah.
If you have any emergency, doctor will not say that you have to come that night and you have to come in the morning. They will treat you.
Doctors is saying.
What?
if you go for OPD, they are
if
returning.
doctor are saying like that, ma'am, you have authority, you can just case against him. But yes, you can take action. And in a government hospital, they cannot return to anyone. If you have an emergency, they cannot return to you.
Listen to me.
And first, I'm not talking about your hospital. I'm talking about all
This
hospitals.
is not my hospital.
So
It is
why you
also
are
our
talking about
hospital.
any particular hospital?
I'm
You
also
should not, na? You should not.
I'm also not talking about any particular hospital, but
They are saying that in emergency. What about that types of the emergency? There are so many suicide cases and accidental cases. Private hospitals are not taking that types of the taking this type of the case. They provide they deny a person.
Of course.
Go to the government hospital.
Well, actually, I want
we
to say
denied
that.
because of we are forced by the government because of you guys. We have some restriction because of your permission. Government did not give permission. That's why we are not admitting them.
Look, sir, I want to say the same thing which she is saying. If there is any sort of accidental case, the private hospital never want to take any type of charge on themselves. They refer and prefer them to the government hospital. First, they refer and prefer to the government hospital. Either that was an accidental case or the suicidal case or any sort of, what you say, if you have a simple, I actually faced this thing with my uncle. He has an heart attack. He has gone through a heart attack, and it was very critical. And that PGI, and besides PGI, there was a hospital, and they just checked that person, and immediately they say that if you want to do something in a positive manner, please take him to the Lari Hospital. And that is quite 20 kilometers away from PGI, next to PGI. Now, who is responsible at that time? Yes. Who is responsible? Now,
Government
if there is a private hospital there beside my house, and if at that particular moment he or she, the doctor who is responsible for that particular institution, refers that person to another government hospital, not any private hospital, he only says that, okay, take this person to...
I got your point.
Yeah.
The main problem is then government have some restriction to us that you don't have to admit that type of the case. Otherwise, your license will be cancelled.
No.
Our license will be
the
cancelled.
first treatment should be given by you. The first treatment should be given by you. You can't say that, okay, I am just seeing the nerves and taking the BP, and I'm saying that, okay, take it to and prefer you to the government hospital. Even I would talk about myself. 6 years back, I have a quite immense pain in my stomach, in my intestine. And hospital, and you are saying that government hospital prefer trainees. Even there, the students hospital, they are treating the patients.
Even, yes. It's going on with your government hospital as well.
Anywhere, if you are having, look, the general treatment.
Both are semi-government.
When you talk about any,
Please don't talk about that.
When you talk, I am saying what I'm saying. The general facilities, the general care is always given by the trainee because they have to learn practical things now. You can't say that, okay, the main doctor always comes to take the BP. Yes, you know, if they were always available, how come the other people?
If there is some mistakes, if you have happened with you, so it can be a.
No, they are never came along. They are always with their senior. They were never come.
Point was raised that accidental cases are not being taken care of, or they are being accepted.
Yeah.
Hospital. What will you say? Excuse me.
Sir, because of government restrictions, rules and regulations. If government not put any restrictions to us,
Government is responsible for everybody and for everything. Okay? So don't blame government.
what you will say?
What if I meet an accident? May God bless me. I can't go in private hospital. It means for me, government hospital is best. Yes.
Ma'am talking about. Ma'am was talking about hospital. My maternal grandmother went this hospital, and I am standing with him with her 1 hour in queue. After that he admitted.
She was admitted.
She was admitted. My maternal mother.
They admitted my.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. We can understand.
Pandemic time, COVID time. Who is working? Who? Yes, sir. Who was working? Who are working?
Now let's take answer.
Who are working?
Have you done?
Yeah.
In corona pandemic, not government hospital or not private hospital, everyone was working for the people. Is that clear?
Oh no, sir.
Not it. This was not like government or hospital. Everybody was working.
Yes, sir.
Everybody was working. What?
At that time. At that time, there is a many private hospital. There were many private hospital that is shut down their clinic because the fear of the COVID-19. COVID. That
This is right.
this is right, no, sir.
But
Listen. I have to answer him.
No,
I have
no. First, let me complete. You are talking about that time every people were working. Yes. Every person were working that time.
was working.
And I agree. But you are talking about, I am talking about the difference between the government hospital and private hospital. I used to vaccination that time.
I used to vaccinate. Yeah, we do vaccination.
I used to do, na sir. I used to do vaccination. I used to do vaccination that time, and I saw that what is the difference between government hospital and private hospital. That time, in one vaccine, they are taking a 3,000 of one vaccine, and in a government hospital, they were providing a free of course for us. So listen, and what about the oxygen cylinder? They were private hospital. They were providing one oxygen cylinder, 1 lakh and 2 lakh. But our government providing a free, of course. So what is the difference you are talking? Being a citizen of India, you have to do. It is another thing. But what you should also identify what is the difference between private hospital and government hospital.
Ma'am, have you done?
Yes, I have done.
Shall I start?
Yes, you should start.
Yes. When the peoples or we can say patient went to the government hospital, government doctors himself says that go to the home and quarantine himself and try to isolate himself and try to get some nutrition or something else. They are not.
Yes, I agree. I totally agree
Yes.
with you. But why you are asking to me? Why you are talking to me?
Please,
I'm not
please
talking
talk
to
to
you.
me.
I'm not talking to you. First, you should have a patience. Okay?
I am here.
Yes. Yes, he is patient, sir. He is a patient from here.
You are talking about the corona pandemic, na? In that time, pandemic time, it's not government or hospital. It's not government hospital.
Don't make cock and bull story first. They are treating. After that, they say that you have to quarantine yourself. They are not saying that you have to go and you should stay in your home.
But they sent back to the home to the patient for the patient.
After treating, they said that you have to save yourself in alone any room. It means quarantine yourself. So what is wrong? What is wrong? It is your responsibility. You have to also care your health. So what is wrong?
Probability can happen everywhere.
Oh my God, you cannot understand. And you are saying that being a citizen, we were working for hospital.
You are underestimating him.
Ma'am,
Not-
please. You are raising only one point. It's a corona pandemic. Please, ma'am.
because we saw now.
Please, try to listen. Try to, please, try to.
Responsible
Please,
for us.
please, try to listen. We are here for the government hospital and private hospital, not for corona pandemic. Not for corona pandemic. Please.
They can raise question. Who were or who was responsible during COVID-19? They are
Yes.
saying that government hospital.
And what if
successful.
it again come in India? So what will you do?
So do you think that private hospital
you
is?
just go to depend on a government?
We can buy 2 lakhs.
I think during COVID-19, we quack doctors were responsible for so many patients.
Yes,
exactly.
sir.
Of
They are
course, of course.
responsible, but they are taking
No
a lot
government,
of money,
nothing.
na?
In
Sir, I agree. And that time,
wait. Yes.
They provide more facility than government.
it means what you want to say. What about people? I think they had died.
If you want more facility, if you want to like a luxurious bed and
I don't want to luxurious bed. I don't want to luxurious
There is a many type of charges. There is a many type of room in private.
Ma'am, I don't want to luxurious life. I don't want to luxurious bag. I only want to.
There is a many type of room. If you want pay 500,
I
there is
really want
also
to
provide
good
500 type of facility.
Can I sold my house or like sir my property for care of sir
Sir.
my patient for luxurious
Sir,
life.
sir, if
don't need my luxurious lifestyle.
Okay.
Only I have to save my patient.
Sir,
I have to
I
save my
give-
family, sir.
Sir,
Don't take
so
my
there
only
is also
luxurious
type
part.
of facility. The first importance of patient. Patient. Yes, first importance is treatment. If you want more extra things, you will be pay. Look, you have to pay. Government what they do? Inject and they send your home. But private hospital they provide many type of nurses. They're taking care.
Look, sir.
What? Private hospital are good, sir. Because he's
After treating this sick in a general ward, for treating.
So I want to give an example, and what is the difference between private sector and government, private hospital and government hospital? Suppose my husband has given me 10,000 rupees, and he said that, okay, make some food for only 5 people.
okay.
I can arrange paneer, I can arrange mutton, I can arrange sweets, I can arrange ice cream. Okay, in 10,000 rupees. But if my husband says, okay, I'm providing you only 10,000 rupees and you have to make food for 100, so I can only make puri sabji. Okay, I can only make, you know. No. I'm coming to my point. Now, if you are talking about government hospital, thousands of people are coming because of affordability, accessibility, and all. Okay? They can't afford. They want the basic treatment. Okay? And if I'm having 10 beds, and I am having 100 people there in front of me, I can categorize, okay, you can do this type of thing. And we are providing everything. Now the second thing, what you saying, difference between government and what facility you are giving. I have gone to a private hospital for the vaccine of my child. 6,000 rupees for a simple vaccine. And that particular vaccine. Yeah.
Private hospital.
6,000 rupees.
Fixed many kinds of prices because of.
No. Let me answer her. Then I will come to you. Okay, 6,000 rupees for a simple vaccine, and I have given that On the urge of my husband, "Nahi, this is good. This is from a private hospital, very good hospital." And that particular vaccine for my second child, the child of my sister-in-law, that is only 320 rupees, that particular vaccine. Now, this is the real, that is in government hospital. Now, what's the condition? In government hospital, I have to...
totally depend on your mind. If you want
Look, ma'am, please let me complete. The only difference in between the private and the government hospital facilities, I have to wait there for 20 minutes in government hospital because there are so many people from rural area who came here to Lucknow to avail that facility. I have to wait there. And that is quite logical because if government is providing something in much more big difference, so many people are there to avail that thing, okay? But in that private sector at Bhutnath, I hardly waited for 2 minutes. I had got an appointment. The doctor came, perfumed all over. Music is there. Every facility is there. He also gave a chocolate to my daughter. Because he is having 6,000 rupees. That chocolate cost me 6,000 rupees. That particular chocolate, and because of the urge of my husband, because he is earning very good, so he wants to get into private. He don't want to waste time. He don't want to stand in the queue, and that's the problem. 6,000 rupees, sir.
Ma'am, this is the that you are saying.
This is the reality of everyone. Okay, you are having medicine from Ayushman Yojana in government sector. You are getting so many tests free in government hospital, while private hospital are charging money. Like how much money you are having in your pocket, please give it to us. Even they are giving you private room, so they are saying that okay, sea facing room. You want sea facing room? Okay. So,
Ma'am.
I mean, Are sir, in my brother, he has recently became a father of twins. He has spent 3 lakhs rupees for a simple delivery of her wife. 3 lakh? Are 3 lakh? Yaar, 3 lakh bahut hua. Yeah.
Ma'am, if the government hospital is good, why our politician going for the private hospital?
Because no.
No. Just let me complete.
Because they don't want to wait in a queue. Because they don't want to wait in a queue.
But why you forget?
It's semi-government hospital, not totally government.
Sir, you forget Brajesh Pathak, AGPGI, you forget Brajesh Pathak.
Then why you forget? Let Mulayam Singh Yadav.
You are taking the speech into another level. Look, sir, what I am saying, if you are, look.
If they are supporting if they want the good government hospital, then why they are going private hospital?
They don't want to good facilities. Yes.
We are not, look, hospital are not for, look, hospital are not for giving facilities, they are giving treatment. They should have to give treatment.
First, my ma'am said, she have 10,000 and making us so much disease. This. So you think, ma'am, first, why do you want paneer that time if you have 100%,
You are not getting my point. I am saying that if I have to treat only, if I have to...
You know, ma'am, don't do like that.
Sir, I have
No, sir.
Firstly, one question from Rinja ma'am. Okay.
Government hospital provide free camp and program. Teach other people like hygienic.
Do you know about the maxim?
Do you listen? First of all, listen. Do you know about the maxim? Cheap things. Okay, let you complete. Yes, let you complete.
Vaccines.
You completed?
Yeah.
Okay. So do you know about the maxim? There is a cheap things have so many customers, right?
So you
Cheap things.
have so many customers, man.
No, sir. If there is any cheap things, they have so many customers. If you ever seen in a crowd in the government hospital, if you ever seen, okay. If you think the crowd in a government hospital, there are so many patients in the government hospital. No, it's not good. Government hospital is not better. I just put my points. I talk about the cleanliness. If you see the government hospital cleanliness, people just complete myself. Just complete myself. Do listen. Just listen.
One news because of government facility. What happened?
Guys, only for your English, do not, kill your communication.
Yes, sir.
What did he ask? Do you know?
Yes.
What did he ask? He asked about camp. यहाँ पे cleanliness चल रहा है, वहाँ पे vaccination चल रहा है. क्या है? What is this? Don't show me. First of all, talk about camp. He is raising the question that government hospital is, providing the camp, exactly, mohalla clinic, and so many things. What is this? It is not mohalla one. It is not camping. That's the other point. कोई कैसर बाग पूछे तो आप अमीनाबाद बता दो. ये other point है ये point, but this is other point. Exactly. Talk about it. Yes, for awareness and all.
Government hospital. Send a health worker to village. Check on children and pregnant or ladies and old people and take care of children polio drop.
हाँ, ठीक है. Yes.
Provide a government hospital, not private hospital.
It is
It is provided.
It is provided.
It is provided by government hospital, not private hospital.
Government is for the welfare of people. Private hospital, they have to invest their own money for everything.
So that is being done. That is being done. That is. Wait. So that is being done by. That is being done by government hospital. Of course. So it means government hospitals are more responsible, guys. Yes. Exactly. You need to uplift them. You need to appreciate them so that they could serve more.
Sir. Like a slogan, Jago Grahak Jago.
So you people were saying that in COVID-19, private hospitals were not working and all the responsibility was taken by the government of hospitals. That is true because government is meant for the welfare of people only. But it is impossible that without the help of private hospital, they can do it. Camps and all, everything, the quarantine centers, the vaccinations, the stocks, private hospitals were used for that also. Government hospitals alone cannot do it. And you say that people were not doing in private hospitals were not working because you see, government is for the country. You pay taxes. They are responsible for you. But when it comes to
That's why we are using their service.
We are responsible being a citizen. Taxes, that's why we are getting. So what is wrong?
After paying taxes also you get so unhygienic wardrooms. You get so unhygienic wardrooms.
Ma'am, we want to increase our GDP.
We see news of.
So listen to me. I'm not saying about you. I was saying that hospital, but ma'am, you are saying in the private. What mean that? She is not giving my solid point.
Government sector.
whatever I
please.
asked you.
You said
Ma'am is distracted only. Oh.
no.
Sir, listen
you
to
are
me.
distracted, no.
I have one other. No, I have also. Sir, let me complete, sir. Hey, listen. Last point.
We have only.
Oh, listen to what?
Sorry.
I have last question, ma'am.
Okay, please.
Let me complete.
Okay.
Ma'am, not only the Indian people, but also the foreigners like American.
Yeah.
Sir, he developed country also. Sir, not only the Indian people, but also, sir, foreigner like American, Japanese, Russian, and other people, other countries are also. Sir, listen to me. Also, will come in our India for treatment. This is cheapest treatment. Cheapest in private hospital. No, sir, in BHU, KGMU, United, sir. Mala. This is invent the Mala.
Yes, American people and other countries people are coming, in India.
In private hospital.
Listen to her. 12%. Sit down. Tushar.
Hello guys. In our country, when the new disease is introduced, these government hospitals collaborated with the research department to conduct research on new vaccine, polio vaccine, new treatments. What would you say? Sujal sir, tell. But the private hospital do not.
Sir, Serum Institute of India, which has invented our research.
This institute will collaborated with government.
No.
If the government is good, with the government, with the specialist
It means the government don't have a facilities that type. The government don't have a facilities that type of. That's right. They don't have a facilities. They did not have facilities.
That's why they collaborated
with private hospitals.
Vaccines were made by private hospitals.
Yes, Serum Institute of India.
How sad it is. Government didn't have facilities. They collaborated with private.
Yes.
Music.
Differentiate private hospital and private company. Serum is a private company. Not
So private hospitals also follows the international protocols, healthcare protocols like NABH. Yes, sir. So they use and everyone want high facilities like private room, hygienic atmosphere. So private hospitals are better than government hospitals. If your wife is going to be pregnant, so she also wants a private room. A good care.
Questions for his wife. Yes.
Good care.
Where is open, ma'am?
Comfortable
Ma'am, where is open?
treatment.
Where is open? There is no facility provided by the government hospital. Oh, sir! Firstly, you visited in the sir. I visited in the sir.
It females. In government hospitals, they are so many sitting like in the curtains.
It is open.
No, sir.
It is open,
Sir,
yes,
firstly you see, you will visit the sir infrastructure of the government
It is
hospital, sir.
bounded-
Right
it is
now, sir,
bounded
you
by
will
some
visit. You will
curtains
visit.
only.
You see, sir.
It is not only curtains. There is no
Where is sir?
privacy.
Where is sir? Where is sir, man? Are you talking about? You have no sense.
There is no
No,
privacy.
sir. Why are you saying
Go
that
and-
there is no
go and
privacy?
check in a government hospital. There is a
Sir, where is no privacy? Listen to me. Firstly, you visit the.
there is government hospital vehicle and you can go and check.
Yeah, आपका why not? If this is responsibility,
Are you?
there is responsibility. Ma'am, listen to me. This is a responsibility of the government providing the separate route. Where you sir? You have no sense.
Why you not going to private hospital?
This is a responsibility of the government hospital to government doctor. No, sir. What? Where you, sir? I'm saying, give any hospital name.
Anyone can see you. Why?
Oh, sir. Where?
Anyone can see you.
Where, sir? No, sir. No, sir.
Yes.
What she is speaking, ma'am? Anybody?
If there is
What is that? You are narrow mind, ma'am. You are no sense. You are not Indian. You what is she is coming?
Sir, he is saying
Sir,
something
you're-
again and again.
Everybody is looking. Everybody is looking at your wife. Is this okay?
Don't, sir. There is separate cabin, sir. There is separate cabin. There is private room.
You are saying
Each
like
and
you are
every
the
hospital
representative
will.
for your
This is
wife.
a responsibility of the hospital. This type of situation provided by the government is separate cabin. Where you, sir, ma'am? Give me any name of any hospital. Give me any hospital.
What did you say?
Give me any name of the hospital name. Where you saw? Can you prove this? Can you prove this?
You can go and check in any
No,
hospital. There are most of the hospitals.
I went and I checked. I went and I checked.
You seems like you are very possessive for your wife. Okay.
No.
If anyone see your wife during pregnancy, are you able to see it? Oh, that person is seeing my wife during pregnancy.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
There is a provision of the man.
Please,
There is
please
no
say-
chance of. There is security. Sir, there is security of the.
In
There
one
is no
hall,
security. There is
in one ward, there are so many patients. Any uncle will come and open the curtain.
No, sir. Only for bed rest. Sir, listen to me. Only let me come. Don't. Please silence for a little while. Okay, sir. Sir, this is a hall for only for bed rest. Not for, sir. Not for, sir, operation. Not for. Ma'am, listen to me. If there is a need of operation, then they will provided by the government hospital separate room, separate cabin. But I think you are narrow-minded.
Okay.
You are narrow-minded.
Are you sure?
And you have no sense.
Are you sure about the the clean environment? Are you
Oh,
sure? Are you
man.
sure about?
Ma'am, Yogi ji is
Every
provided.
lady-
You are living in the Uttar Pradesh. Yes. Uttar Pradesh.
Okay.
But you see, right now, Yogi ji is provided of bed facility. And also AC, ma'am. Why are you thinking? Firstly, you see.
Please. Okay, sir, one point. Okay, are you agree that... do you agree? Do you agree that in this Well Talk there are many facilities and clean... 1 minute. Cleanliness also capture have skill more than, and also there are a lot of patients. Okay. Do you agree?
Yeah, of
Agree?
course.
Also, and imagine if you had in school, government school, okay, but there are no facilities like that. Okay, why didn't go in that place? Why did you come here? Why did you come here?
I have completed
One minute.
Ma'am.
Okay, like that private hospital and government hospital.
Okay.
So these
You said about the topic of the education.
education.
Where?
Sir, like that private hospital and
completed
government hospital. So, sir, we can see there. This is hospital, and also there are a lot of what? Don't shot. Patient. Only.
Guys, you can see.
This is a private. This is power. This is power of private hospital. Why are you shouting? You haven't common sense. You haven't patient. You haven't man. You haven't treatment. Treatment, sir. Sir, only he want to cry. He want to shout. Yes. He want to shout. He haven't common sense, sir. He haven't common sense. He haven't manner. Why are you shouting?
Sir.
Okay. My sound is more than than you. Okay. Don't shout.
But listen to me, my. Wait, let me complete.
Sir. He haven't points only.
Sir, listen to me. This is pen. This is my copy. Not hospital.
Not hospital. I am patient. You patient. Okay. Sir.
Are you
Before.
You are
Okay. One minute. Listen. One minute.
Whatever you are saying.
1 minute.
Sir, listen.
Listen, my point.
Okay.
Before coming here in this Well Talk, okay, in this time, you were able to speak English. Okay, sir. Sir, this is medicine. This is medicine of Well Talk. We are able to speak English. You are able to speak English. Everybody are able to speak English. This is
medicine of well talk.
Okay.
This is
okay.
medicine of
Sir, sir,
and Kaf sir, our
Yes.
doctor. This is a big doctor, and this is power of well talk.
Yes, I agree. Sir,
Only he was trying to
Sir, I
shout.
want to say in a camera. Sir, I want to say something in a camera. I want to disclose something here. You are whatever you are saying. It is a hospital
Yes.
and Cap sir is a doctor.
You have to imagine, na? Yes.
Yes, I agree.
Yes.
We are a patient, and I really salute to Cap sir. He is a
Yes.
doctor for us. And you are talking
Yes.
about,
Yes.
and you are talking about this is the private hospital.
Yes.
But I totally don't agree of it. Yes, Cap sir is working for the private hospital and a government hospital, but I don't believe that. Cap sir, whatever he is doing for the nation, he is not doing for the private hospital, for the government hospital.
Wait, now listen to him.
Yes.
1 minute.
And don't talk here private hospital and government hospital. He always says
1
that
minute.
whatever I am doing for the nation, for the India. Okay?
But
And
you
I
agree or not agree?
I agree.
It's
I agree.
your problem. This
I
is
agree.
hospital. Okay. Sir, this is a big point. Before coming in this well talk,
I
I
agree,
was not
sir.
able to speak.
I
And
agree.
nowadays I am able to
agree.
speak.
I
I am able to
agree.
speak.
Sir, I
We
agree.
were patient before coming here.
Sir, I agree.
Being a doctor, I feel proud, and let
Yes,
me
sir.
tell you, we are working on vocal, guys.
Yes, sir.
We are working on speech
Yes,
therapy.
sir. Yes, sir.
Only doctor can. Only doctors can. Where is Cap sir? I really salute him wherever
Sir,
he is.
I saluted you.
I salute Cap sir.
You, sir.
No, salute me. Salute Cap sir, okay?
Sir.
Cap sir is working on vocal, guys. He's working on pronunciation, right? That is the duty
Yes,
of
sir.
doctor.
Cap, sir,
This is the
everywhere.
private hospital,
Cap,
guys. Thank you very
Cap,
much.
sir, everywhere, sir.
Sir, I have a question. He said that you are a teacher. Okay.
Yes.
He
Who's
said
a
that-
teacher? I'm not teacher. I'm not teacher.
He said that
I'm
you
not
are a
teacher.
doctor.
Working for the whole world. Teaching
You-
for not.
Are doctors are also working. Private doctors are also working for whole world.
Yes. You said that this is a hospital. You said that this is a hospital. Now, if you have an accident, you will come there or you will come there.
Wait. Guys, why did we give the name of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam? Tell me, was he giving medicine?
Whatever he did in their life for nation, for not a private hospital, not for government hospital. That's why I salute to him. And you should also, whatever he did, they did for the nation. They didn't did for the private hospital and government hospital.
Thank you very much. If we made actually completely fish market here, don't say anything, sir, please. बहुत हो गया, sir, बहुत हो गया.